Tonight we're at the Mountain Mile. We're going to do the Mountain Monster, which is in front of me. I'll show you a video of it in a second. There's a drop tower, there's a launch, and there's a big giant swing. So there's the drop tower and the launch, and then over the right, just behind the drop tower, is the big giant swing. And there are some other things here. There's a little train that goes around. There's loads of restaurants and shops and stuff like that as well. Oh look, mini drop shot tower. So we're going to go over here to the Mountain Monster, and we are going to book on what on earth is going on there. Please do not. Oh, they're just doing a funny gag. So that's the apex for the swing, and then this here is the shot tower. Just look at the mountains, Darren. Just look at the mountains. We'll be good.
I don't think you have a choice now, Dad.
Oh, the actual swing is amazing. It's just that anticipation. Woo! Oh, that was so good. Scared, Josh? Well, hang on tight, have fun. Boom.
They're gonna see us in our black Hawaiian t-shirts when
Yeah.
go with them.
I'll wait for the floor to move away, I guess.
Yeah. I thought we were just gonna go straight up like the ones at Ferrari World, but I didn't know it was gonna be a slingshot like that.
Well, we've essentially done a slingshot now as well,
Yeah,
haven't we?
we have.
Some of the other things they have here at the Mountain Mile: you can play giant chess. You can go on the mini train, the mini land train. You can play cornhole. You can sit by a fire pit. There's loads of shops. There's downtown Flavortown, and there's cornhole that Josh is not great at.
I don't know how far you're supposed to stand from it. That's pretty close. I've got no idea how far you meant to stand. Are you meant to stand in the middle or?
No, you meant to stand here. Alright, let's see how good I am at cornhole. There you go. Video me doing cornhole. I can't imagine I'm very good.
No.
Ooh. Oh. Ah! So that was a big fat 0-0 draw. The Junction 35 Distillery. 35 Kitchen and Bar, which looks nice. Escapology, which is another escape room game. Oh god, if Ollie was here, he'd be wanting to play it. The Black Rifle Coffee Company. Azul, which is Tex-Mex, I believe.
I don't know what Azul is.
It's a Tex-Mex restaurant.
That's Tex-Mex.
So it's Mexican food from like Texas. So it's like a cross between Texas food and Mexican food. So it's not authentic Texas. Oh, look at the Mountain Mile all lit up. The Mountain Monster all lit up now. Wow.
Okay, I'd like to go to Azul and sit on the roof there.
Yeah. So a good thing about Azul is that it has this rooftop terrace that you can go and eat your dinner at. This end of the Mountain Mile, you've got some other stores, including the Nike outlet.
The Nike clearance store, which I don't know.
Nike clearance store.
I don't know. Is it an actual Nike store?
Yeah.
Is it? I thought.
We definitely don't need to buy any more clothes, though. We've got enough clothes. And Rye Co-op. I don't know what that is. And then you've got Beals down there and Old Time, whatever that is as well. Okay, so we have just done the monster package here at the Mountain Monster, which is the drop tower, the shot tower, and the swing, which also includes an added bonus drop tower. What I would say is, it's amazing. It really is. I don't care how much it costs. It's worth it. It was so good. It was terrifying, but terrifying in a fun and exciting way. If you come to Pigeon Forge and you've got any sort of, you care in any way about adrenaline or things like this, this is 100% something you need to do. You definitely have to do it. It is so good. Do it. I implore you, do it. Do what we did. Get out there and explore your world. You have been watching Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Thank you for joining us in our adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel, and tell us about any adventures that you have in the comments below. Get out there and explore your world.